Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add header code and meta tags in Wix. This helps improve your website's SEO, verification, and overall performance. Let's get started. In Wix Studio, if you already have the code for your meta tags, you can add it by clicking Settings on the left side of your dashboard. Once you are there, scroll down to the bottom and find the Development and Integration section. Under this section, you will see the Custom Codes area. To add your code, click the New tool and select the Custom option. Keep in mind that you can only do this if you have upgraded your account. If you do not have a domain or a premium account in Wix, you will not be able to add your code here. If you have upgraded, simply go to the Custom Code section and paste your code there. And that is how we add header code and meta tags in Wix.